I'm making a fire-roasted tomato salsa inspired by my favorite store-bought brand. Let me show you how. Out on the grill, I'm going to throw on about a pound of tomatoes, half of a large onion, and a couple cloves of garlic. That'll be our roasted part. And then we're going to blend it all up with a little bit of fresh cilantro, a couple of chipotle peppers and adobo for some heat, and a variety of acids, including some fresh lime juice, some white vinegar, and a little apple cider vinegar to give it a rounded fruitiness. I'm leaving the root end intact on our half of an onion, and I'm going to just sort of slice through in wedges to keep those wedges together as we grill them off. All right, a little bit of oil over top, and then we're out to a nice hot grill. Just cleaning off the grill, and I added actually a mesquite wood packet to give a little bit of smoky char flavor. The garlic cloves, since they don't want to fall through, I've actually created another little foil packet with some slits in the bottom to give it a little charred flavor, and it's still in its skin, and so we'll unwrap that before we blend it all up. Looks great. So our veggies are off the grill. They look great. I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, and while we do that, we'll prep a couple other things for the salsa. I've taken a couple of the chipotles out of their can with the adobo sauce. I've also measured out a tablespoon of both our white and our apple cider vinegar, and we'll chop a little cilantro, squeeze a little lime, and put it all in the processor. Make sure you get all those juices that might have settled out. Go ahead and add our chipotles. Our mix of acids, both vinegars and fresh lime juice. We'll give that a couple pulses before we add some salt and pepper and our cilantro. Really nice consistency. We'll add a half teaspoon of salt. Just to start, you can vary that for yourself. A few grinds of pepper. And we'll add our cilantro. Looks great, smells great. Let's taste for seasoning. Almost perfect. But I think a little bit more salt. Give me another quarter teaspoon. Fire roasted tomato salsa. Whether it's for your next tacos or your favorite chips, I hope you tried this recipe at home, and I hope you enjoy. I'm going in.